Welcome to One Hub Wines. Today we learn word shortcut keys. Here is a list of commonly used shortcut keys that can provide an easier and quicker method of using computer programs. Let's move to the video. First one, Control A. Select all contents of the pages. See? Second one, Control B. Bold highlighted selection. Third one, Control C. Copy selected text. You should copy this. Copy. Control C. Copy. Control X. Cut the selected text. Cut. Control N. Open new or blank documents. Control N. See, open new document. Okay. Next, Control O. Open option. Open options. Okay, open options. Control P. Open the print window. Control P. Open the print window. Print. If you want to print these pages, then you can print. Control F. Open find box. You want me to find these pages? Open. 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 Find. This is find. Find box. Next, Control I. Italize highlighted selections. So this is italize. So stylish italics. Okay. Control K. Insert link. Control K. Insert link. You want me to link anything? See, Google. Then insert link. Next, Control U. Underline highlighted selection. You want it underline. Control U. Underline. Control V. Paste. Here you copy, right? Control C. Copy. Control C. Control V. Then paste. And paste. Okay. Next, redo the last action perform. What last action perform? Control Y. Okay. See, Control Y. Control Z. Undo last action. Control Z last action. This copy. Then we delete. Control G. Find and replaced action. Page number 2 here. Next, Control H. Find replaced action. So say what do you want to replace? Open this word, then you replace it. So all open places, and replace it. Okay. Next, Control J. Justify paragraph alignment. See, paragraph alignment. Control A. Selector. Control A. Then paragraph alignment. Middle or left or right or center. Okay. So this is Control L, Control Q. This is and all alignment, left, right and all. Control E. This is center. center line. Control or align the text or line. Control or, that is say paragraph left right. So, Control M, indent the paragraph. So paragraph center wise. Okay. Hanging indent. Control T. See, Control T, hanging indent. Control D, font option. So what type of font? Arial, whatever you want, then Arial, Times New Roman, whatever you want. Okay. Next, Control Shift F, change the font. Control Shift F, change the font size or font style. Control Shift and increases the select font. Control Shift and increase the font selected. See, like this. Control open bracket increases the selected font +1. Control open bracket. Sorry, close bracket. Font 1 decreases the selected font. This is open bracket. Okay, decreases. Control Shift and star, view or hide non-printing characters. Control Shift and star. This symbol is non-printing characters. Control left arrow, move one to the left. Control left arrow. Move to the left. Okay, same right arrow, move one to the right. Control up arrow, move to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Control up arrow. Down arrow, move to the end of the paragraph. Control down. Okay. Next, Control delete. Delete to the right to the cursor. So want to delete. Control delete. So left cursor. Control backspace, also delete the left of the cursor. Control end, move to the cursor end of the document. Control end of the document. Control home, move to the cursor to the beginning of the document. Control home. So beginning. Next, Control space, reset highlighted text to the default font. Control space. Okay, highlighted in the text on the default form. Control 1, single space line. Control 1, single space line. This is single space line. So this is single space line. Control 2, double spaces line. So see, double spaces line. Control 5, 1.5 line spacing. Control 5. See, 1.5 line spacing. 1.5. Okay. See here, check this. Control 5. So 1.5 here. Okay. Next one. Control Alt 1. Just select first there. Control Alt 1. So change text to the heading 1. Control Alt 2. Control Alt 2. Change the text to the Heading, this is a subheading. This is the head title, heading. This is subheading. Control Alt 3. This is the subheading. Okay. So check. Next one, F1. That is F1 function 1. So function 1, open help. Want me to help? F1. See, the help box is opening. Okay. Next, Shift F3. Change the cases of the selected text. Shift function 3. Shift function 3. Change the cases of the selected text. So change the text. So capitals or small, this upper cases or smaller cases like this. Okay. Shift insert. Shift insert. So here first we copy that line, right? This copy the same thing. Copy. Function F4. Repeat the last performance. Repeat the last one. Last time we copied, right? Here it's pasted, so that is repeated. Okay. Next one, F7. Spell check. Function F7. So spell check here. Spell check. Grammar. Next, F12. Save as. Function 12. Save as. Your file name and which place we want me to save. Drive with C, D or E, whatever it is. Okay. Next, Control S is save. Save. So we want to save desktop. Shortcut keys. Okay. Next, Shift F12 also save. Shift function F12 also save. Shift Alt Shift D, insert the current date here. Alt Shift D, so current date, today's date 23. Okay. Next, Alt Shift timing, so today's timing. Then this is Control W, so close the documents. That's all. You may pass if you wish. Don't forget to like and comment my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.